So I've been editing the Decorate for Spring video, and as I'm doing it, I thought originally, I'm gonna put up this whole thing for taking Christmas down. It'll probably take up like the first, 5 minutes. But as I was doing it, I had 3 hours of footage. And I couldn't really get it shorter than like 12 minutes. So I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna make a second video, which is what you're watching right now. And we're gonna do Christmas because I still have to actually put it away in the room. There's the giant swamp creature of garland. So I am going to do that now. Yeah, this is the front room of the basement that I talked about last week. There's Halloween all tidily done. But Christmas needs to go here. And before I can do that, I need to put these metal grids up because, as some of you may recall, in the Halloween video when I first made the display in the window in the kitchen, I ordered 1 grid and they accidentally sent me 4, but didn't charge me for 4, so I didn't say anything. So I'm gonna hang those up so I can get all the garland on them, and then I can start bringing those totes in here. So let's get cracking. There's not much talking in this video, so just, I guess, enjoy the ASMR/music, and yeah, I'll catch you at the end of the video. I don't love taking down Christmas before New Year's, but it's gonna start getting cold again, and today it's like 45 outside, so it's a good opportunity to take all the garland down. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Quick and easy. Last year I stored them all connected, and I will not make that mistake again because some lights were burnt out and it was hard to replace. So there's that. I am very sweaty, and I think this has convinced me to not have a real tree next year. There's other reasons. I probably won't be home for Christmas, so that's fine. But like, I cut my finger on this. My hands look like rawhide in general right now. But when it comes to the, I don't know what you want to say, not validity, that's not the word. When you come to the vitality of a tree, different V, this tree did what it was supposed to do. It lasted through the Christmas party, and it lasted through Christmas. Today is the 28th, so it's only a couple days past. By the Christmas party that morning, I noticed it had stopped absorbing water, which I thought, that's okay, we're there. It's not, the needles aren't falling off as you touch the tree. Look at this. It's just bad, you guys. Maybe it's my house and it's me. I used a tree saver. I watered this effing thing every day. My office is right there. I water it every day. I think it's also the indicator that the next time I do a real tree, I can't use incandescent lights because I put too many lights on the tree and I think that they dry it out. I'm gonna take this down and march it through the front door and yeet it into the side yard until the city comes and picks trees up in a week. You're my helper, aren't you? Oh, yeah. Ella, look how dry the tree ended up. Whose fault is it? It's not ours. Yeah, I know. Let's take it down. Ah! Ridiculous. Wrap this around the base so it doesn't dump stuff in the house. I think that was the remaining energy. Right, Paolo? Try not to swear because someone told me that it wasn't edgy in the comments. Like I fucking care. make the bed. I know it's your favorite spot. Come on, honey. Ugh. This is Paolo's sister, Sophia. She's usually snoozing when I'm making videos, so you don't see her much, but... I got these dumb little hooks. I don't remember what I got them for, but those should work perfect for some of this garland. It's kind of hanging on the ground a little bit, so I'm gonna just make a little thing like that. And then we can, there we go, off the ground, okay. There's also this weird rack that was left behind by the previous owners, and I kept thinking I would take it down, but as I'm doing this, I'm like, might as well just sling garland over it because it's here, so. Going into Christmas this year, because of how Halloween ended up, I really wanted to be organized. So this, could I be more organized than I am? 100%, because I am not an organization expert, but I have never been this organized. So this feels good to have it all this way, and also knowing that, like, because some of this stuff appears in the store in like August, I don't have to be like, well, where am I going to put it with the rest of the crap? Like, it's already got a home, so I can just add to it. Not that I should, but I will. So I had spray painted these for the decorating video, and I never showed you guys how they turned out. They were tied to the balcony eventually. Something I didn't know going into it that I had to fix a couple nights in. You have to essentially like wire the whole thing down to the post if you have it hanging outside, because you can hear at night banging with the slightest breeze. And the rub and buff did not turn out great, so I stopped after one. So that's the truth. This is insane. And that's it. So that's a wrap on Christmas. Officially, it's all put away. I used painter's tape on all my boxes to give a general idea of what was inside. That's all I got for you today. I will see you guys in a few days on Wednesday. And we are going to decorate for spring, but it's also like the 2025 reset. So rearranging all the furniture, moving things, and just kind of getting ready for the year ahead and what it's got in store for the estate. So questions or comments, leave them below. Love y'all. And until Wednesday, take care. See you soon.